Tom, I have just performed the reset technique on her. She is one of my senior physiotherapists in my another branch. So I'm going to ask her what is her experience after the session. Yes, ma'am.
I'm feeling so light, sir. And मुझे last 2 weeks से job pain था, उसमें मुझे काफी light feel हो रहा है. And I feel so relaxed, and I won't be able to explain, but yes, it is completely a different. I think मैं try कर रही थी बार-बार कि मैं आपके handling पर focus करूँ, but मैं every 2 minutes में lost हो रही थी, and I just wanted to learn it, sir. Thank you so much.
So she is saying that she was having a jaw pain due to wisdom teeth, and it's completely gone after the session, and she felt immense like mindfulness and so relaxing technique. So she just want to learn it from you. So this is what she is saying. Right? Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Called as reset for me, which I did not understand at all. First of all, I thought it was going to be a few manipulations and things like that, but it was nothing. It was all feather touch, very light. But when he was doing, after a while I could feel the flow of energy through my spine, and after he finished, the first thing which I noticed was that my knee pain was gone, completely zero, without any instruments or manipulation or anything. The second thing, after a while, which I observed, that I was feeling much light. I was feeling at peace with myself. Then, after a little while, I felt hungry after a long time, because I have not been feeling hungry. I was constipated, and I don't know what all I've been carrying all through this time. But the next thing which I observed with myself, that I've been smiling at strangers for no reason, and then there was some financial glitch which came on the way, some massive financial glitch, but I handled it beautifully. Then I went to my music class, and my teacher complimented me that I am totally in sync. मैं बहुत सुर में हूँ आज, क्या बात है. I was complimented in this way, and after this whole busy day, I could still manage to make pancakes for my kids, and now I'm going to tuck them for bed. And I'm very grateful to Dr. Mahesh Sahu for introducing me to this wonderful way of therapy. I'm extremely grateful. I cannot say thanks enough. Thank you so much.
I'm Dr. Aditi Agarwal here. Today sir has given me the reset approach. Like, I was waiting for this from very last few days. So I want to share my experience. While he was giving me the technique, I feel the light beyond the world, my complete body healed from within. I was feeling so anxiety and depressed from very last few weeks, but after that I'm feeling so relaxed. Along with this, not only have reset and healed my body from within and the soul, but this also have reset my CNS, PNS, as well as my ANS also. Along with the light what came from sir hand, it was going from the top of my head to like my feet. I can feel that. Along with, I was feeling like everyone has very different aspects and the way of sharing, but what I felt was I was feeling a very different type of fragrance throughout the approach what sir has given me. Thank you so much, sir, for the technique.
So she has taken a reset approach right now, and let's see what is her experience. So let's ask her, how do you feel right now?
What light
Don't say no. I'm saying that speak loudly. He will not listen to you.
Sir, I feel amazing and very light.
This is actually amazing technique, So, Tom, I have performed this technique to I think 5 patients today, and all are very happy. I'll send you the testimonial of the patient as well, and a little bit difficulties and a little bit question are there. I will need to talk to you on WhatsApp. I'll send you the messages. So this is for today till the afternoon, and in the evening session I'll take 2 sessions, one for my therapist and another for another patient differently. So good day. So hello again, Tom. This is another case. She was having a migraine and she has to take 2 sleeping pills every day. And along with that, she was having a right shoulder pain. She is having a supraspinal tendinitis, lower back pain, and there are a lot of trigger points in her body and restlessness as well. So I have given her a reset approach today. Just ask. I'm going to ask her how was her experience today. हाँ कैसा लगा आपको?
पूरी बॉडी रिलैक्स हो गई है, पेन फ्री हो गई है और स्ट्रेस भी कम हो गया। ऐसा लग रहा था कि भैया हूँ ही नहीं, नींद आ गई थी एकदम।
Okay, she was telling that she felt very good, so relaxed, and she was like she's like no more. Means there is a no any like burden or exertion in her body and muscles, and she felt very light in her body.
स्ट्रेस फ्री।
Stress free, basically stress free. So this is it for today's evening, today's afternoon, and we will see another patient in the evening time. Thank you. So hello Tom, this is another case. She is having a bilateral OA knee, that is the osteoarthritis of the knee, and first time I have performed the reset technique on her, and afterward I did a little bit manual therapy on the knee joint. So I am going to ask her how her experience about the reset approach. Ji ma'am.
Sir, I feel very light
Okay.
and comfortable. I think sometimes I feel very positive in my body and light everything.
Okay. Any kind of like मतलब कोई burden हो जो आपका आपका जैसे रेस्ट आउट हुआ हो या फिर
Sir,
burn out हो.
exactly. What I feel ऐसा कुछ negative से positive I feel.
Positive vibes
That
हैं.
yes, sir, of course.
So it happens.
Definitely.
It happens basically in the body segment and the mind segment. So this approach is all about the body to mind and mind to body. Just having the relaxation along with that a lot of system that goes in a proper way and coordinated manner so that body can work in a proper functional manner, right?
So good, yes, sir. Yes,
Right.
I feel fantastic. I feel light actually.
Okay.
This is very
Thank you. Thank you, Tom.
Thank
I'll
you.
see you with another patient. Thank you.
अभी जस्ट मेरा रीसेट अप्रोच सर ने करा है और मुझे बिल्कुल बॉडी में ऐसा लाइट फील हो रहा है, स्ट्रेस फ्री फील कर रही हूँ और बहुत खुशी महसूस हो रही है। सुबह से ऐसा लेफ्ट आउट फील कर रही थी, बर्डन हो रहा था, बस रोना आ रहा था, बट अभी ऐसा है कि हंसी जा नहीं रही है इस चेहरे पे से। बहुत खुश हूँ। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग कि ना जो रिसेट अप्रोच है वो आपके अंदर से ना माइंडफुलनेस को बाहर लेके आता है
और एग्जैक्टली उसने किया है ये वर्क। अंदर से बॉडी बिल्कुल ऐसे लाइट फील हो रही है जैसे कि एयर के साथ फ्लो हो रहा है बॉडी का, और खुशी अपने आप बहुत खुश हो रही हूँ।
इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि ये सबको मिलना चाहिए।
सबको मिलना चाहिए, ये हर एक इंसान के पास ये जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो इंटरनल फीलिंग जो लेफ्ट आउट फील हो रहा है, बर्डन फील हो रहा है, उससे स्ट्रेस फ्री होएगा। इस टेक्निक से सबको मिलनी चाहिए ये टेक्निक।
ठीक है,
थैंक यू सर।
And the whole therapy and the whole experience, whole session was very, I felt like a kid during all the therapy, and yeah, it was very good. Thank you.
Hi, Dr. Tom. Mr. Dr. Sahu has given me this reset therapy. In post that I am feeling too light. I don't know. I don't have exact words to describe, but right now I am feeling light, smooth. That's it.
Hello, Dr. Tom. I just recently took a therapy from Dr. Sahu, and it really feel me very light and relaxed. Thank you very much.
Hi, Tom. I am very thankful to you that after reset therapy, I feel so relaxing. Dr. Mahesh Sahu gave me the therapy, and I have suffering from back pain last 5 to 6 years, and I am recently coming to Dr. Sahu, and he gave me the reset therapy. And after this therapy, I feel just so light. My body's pain is just gone, and I am very thankful to you and Dr. Mahesh Sahu and his team. Thank you.
हाय आई एम काव्या। मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी सा फील हो रहा था और हर जगह पेन सा फील हो रहा था। जब से मैंने ये थेरेपी ली है मैं बहुत एनर्जी और फुल फील कर रही हूँ। थैंक यू।